I'm Feiyu Xu. You can call me Fei. I'm Global Head of Artificial Intelligence at SAP.
And I'm Miriam Meckel. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Ada Learning, and I'm a professor of communication management in Switzerland. I think we can be quite positive about generative AI because it gives us a lot of tools to enhance our capabilities. We can get rid of the boring stuff every one of us has to do every day, working with computers, writing emails, posting on LinkedIn. These things are really not often so enjoyable, and so I think it will be very helpful to leverage our capabilities and also our productivity on a global scale. What is important, as to my perspective, is that we really have to make sure that we can apply the technology responsibly. And that is, for example, why Ada Learning is really trying to help upskill people, leaders, to really know how to implement these technologies and to take the best out of it, to use their opportunities and not endanger anything.
Let me start with the vision of SAP. For SAP, it's very important we contribute to the intelligent transformation of our customers, our ecosystem. And furthermore, it's very important to make the supply chain resilient and also the sustainability. All these three pillars of our vision need artificial intelligence. If we look at our AI strategy, for us it's important we infuse AI technologies into our applications and let our customers to improve their process efficiency, productivities, make their supply chain more resilient, help them to improve their ESG KPIs. And on the other hand, we have 400,000 customers and we cover more than 20 verticals. For us, it's also important we provide AI technologies and applications which are tailored to our customers, make them really successful. Of course, any enterprise AI applications must be trustworthy, responsible.
Well, I think it's very important to be aware that it is necessary to have an own European approach in developing large language models, because basically a lot of values, a lot of cultural frameworks are kind of integrated in these models, and we might want to have our own stance on that. So I think we are not where we should be at this moment. We are too slow. We have to develop something that is way quicker and really offers for businesses, also for public administration, for the everyday use of everyone, a model or a set of models that can be of European origin and can really provide a value-based offering in generative AI.
Yeah, I totally agree with Miriam, right? We have to really invest a lot in order to build our own large language model, our own competence of foundational models. And we have so many excellent scientists in machine learning, deep learning. Many of them are in US. They are in Google, right, in Facebook, and in Microsoft. I think we have to attract them back, and in order to contribute our AI competition and competence. From the large language model point of view and foundational model point of view, I think we will have to embrace more data structure, right? As I mentioned also in our panel discussion, now we have the language data, the speech data, voice data, image data. Now we should embrace our business processes, sensor data, medical data, chemical formulations. There are so many data which in our industry have already, right? How we can support our industry in order to deal with all these kind of industry relevant data types. This is one thing. On the other things, now we are playing with ChatGPT, but we can imagine the foundational model empower the robots. And they create their own schedule, their own plan, and how can we monitor them? that the plan will contribute to the benefit of the society, and how the robots work with each other, with human each other. They are all complexities we have to work and do research on it.
I would like to imagine a future where humans and machines can really collaborate in the best of ways, in ways that we might then call augmented intelligence. So both sides can bring something to the table that combined leverages a new perspective of endeavors that we yet can't even fathom maybe. And I would also wish for humans in the loop, always when it's about very crucial, very existential questions of how we shape our future and our society.